Health Lectures with Naturopath Patrick. Recover from illness. What you will learn. What foods make you sick. What foods can heal you. How to protect your pancreas. Your amazing liver. How stress damages the body. Radiations from Fukushima and many more. Toxic heavy metals. Viruses and cancers. Bacteria and other pathogens, the healing power of herbs, our highly toxic environment, organic food, glyphosate, genetically modified food, and much more. What will happen if you strictly follow my recommendations? Toxins will leave your body. You will stop feeding viruses. Your liver will become more efficient. Your pancreas will recover. Your heart will get stronger. Your arteries will be cleaner. Your kidneys will work better. Stones will be removed from your body. You will have more energy. You should recover health. Naturopath Patrick, impressive success rate. My recommendations give a true cure for illnesses. They do not just hide symptoms. Over 90% of customers recover or substantially improve their health when strictly following my recommendations. I am most successful with cancers.